It's Lynn from JVI Secret Gardens. On today's episode, we're going to do a quick overview of the difference between annuals and perennials. Annuals, as you may know, is a plant that will not survive the winter in our zone. Perennials, on the other hand, should survive the winter. The farther north you go in the United States, the lower the agricultural zone numbers. The farther south you go, the higher the numbers get. Higher numbers indicate tropical, lower numbers indicate northern plants. For example, we have a perennial here called a yarrow. On our perennial tag, it'll actually say what zones this plant can grow in. This plant says hardy in zones 3 through 9. Well, we're zone 7, so that means that this guy should be able to survive our winters. On the flip side, we have here something we would consider an annual here in Nashville. This aloe can only grow in zones 9 through 11. Since we're zone 7, our winters are going to be too cold for an aloe like this to survive. So while this yarrow will survive the winter here in zone 7A, it may not survive the winter up north of Minnesota, since it goes all the way up to 3. On the flip side, while our aloe may not survive our winters here, it may survive in the farther south of us in Florida. This was just the basics of annuals versus perennials. If you have any further questions, come and see us at the Garden Center. We can show you perennials in our perennial section or annuals in our annual section. Now be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Check out our YouTube page. We have more garden guide videos. Also catch up with Derek and the pond team. Like, comment, subscribe, and come and see us soon.